अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब। तो आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे बहुत इजी ऐसे अल्लामा इकबाल। अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल वाज अ ग्रेट पोएट, फिलोसोफर एंड थिंकर ऑफ द ईस्ट। ही वाज बोर्न ऑन नवंबर 9, 1877 in Sialkot. He is known as the national poet of Pakistan and the man who gave the idea of a separate homeland for Muslims. Allama Iqbal wrote inspiring poetry in Urdu and Persian. His poems were full of motivation, self-respect, and love for Islam. He wanted Muslims to rise, work hard, and regain their lost glory. His famous poem "Lappe Aati Hai Dua" is read in many schools even today. Iqbal studied in Lahore, England, and Germany. He was highly educated and deeply connected to his religion and culture. His poetry taught lessons of unity, faith, and self-awareness. He believed that Muslim youth must know their strength and build a better future. He gave the idea of Pakistan in his famous Allahabad speech in 1930. Though he died in 1938, his dream came true in 1947. We respect and honor Allama Iqbal as the poet of the East and a true hero of our nation. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इसे लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़।